Hello and welcome, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In this class, we are going to study about the effects of British rule in India. Arun was reading the newspaper in the morning while her daughter Purva was sitting beside her and doing her homework. Arun read loudly, Revolution in Libya. Hearing this, Purva asked, Why do people revolt? Arun answered, When the needs of the people are not satisfied and the people face economic crisis, they revolt. In our country also, during the British rule, the condition of the people was very bad and resulted in a revolt. Let me tell you about the life of Indians at that time. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the life of people during the British rule. How did the people revolt against the Britishers and how did our India was free from Britishers? India was economically prosperous till the 18th century. The anarchy that followed the death of Aurangzeb too could not weaken it. It has been admitted by historians across the world that the industries, production, techniques, and the organization of trade in India were unmatched at that time. So, India was very powerful and was very prosperous during till the 18th century, till the Britishers did not came to India and did not started ruling over India. Till that time, India was very prosperous economically. There was development in our India, and many other techniques were established for the organization of trade and other techniques also. So, the same country, India, became poor and bankrupt during the nearly 200 years of British rule. But after the Britishers came to India for trading, their aim became to rule on India, right? So they ruled for over 200 years, and while ruling, the people of India started becoming poor. It became the country that supplied raw material to the factory in England and offered a large market for the finished products of the factories in India. India was such a country that it used to export things. The demand of India as well as the Indian products was very big in the other foreign countries, and the people were literally depend on the Indian products like cotton, silk, and many other spices and all. Now we are going to study about the condition of peasants and agriculture during the British rule. What was the condition during the British rule about for the agriculture, about workers and agricultural thing? What happened during the British rule? See, the British got a new opportunity to increase their income after acquisition of the Diwani rights. Of Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa, as the British got the permission for the increase in their income got increased after they captured the Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. They started exploiting peasants to earn more revenue. What they did, they started harassing the people, the peasants, the workers, so that they can earn more revenue, right? They used to collect taxes from the peasants, like from the person who are working for them, and as a result the peasants became more poorer. So the workers who are working in the agricultural field, they started becoming more poor because they had to pay revenue, right? And while paying the revenue, they did not all the money used to go in paying revenue, and they did not had money left for them. So what happened? They started becoming poorer. Many times the peasant had to sell their jewelry to pay the revenue. So sometimes there was the condition was such that they also had to give their jewelries which they wore, and this is how they started becoming more and more poor. A large number of peasants had to borrow money from the moneylenders and consequently fell into debt trap. So while giving all these things also, sometimes what used to happen, sometimes the peasant, like the workers, the peasants didn't have the money, so they had to borrow the money from the landlords, and that what happened, then they had to suffer from debt trap. They used to come into debt and they used to become poor. Farmers lost their land and agriculture suffered in many regions of India. So because people did not have land, they were not able to farm, and because of that reason many places in India suffered from agricultural problems. Many regions in India had farmers lost their land. Moreover, Bengal witnessed a terrible famine in the year 1770 CE, in which lakh of people died of starvation. So, during that time, in the year 1770, the agricultural thing was so much into trap that the Bengal had to suffer terrible famine. Over there the people died out of starvation, and they did not have enough money to eat, they did not have their land, so everything was completely under the rule of British. Governor General Lord Cornwallis enforced Permanent Settlement Act in order to collect revenue. So the Governor General, he had made an act which was Permanent Settlement Act for the collection of land, for the collection of revenue. What was there in this act? Let's see. As per this act, the company fixed the revenue of an annual basis. So what they used to do is, the company had fixed the amount of land revenue, so every year, if the production is more, if the farmer is earning less or more, then it was not according to their production or on the basis of the agriculture. In fact, they had to pay a fixed amount, and because of that many farmers had lose their lands. The zamindars, which was landlords, were given the permanent rights of the land revenue collection. This is how a class of landlords loyal to the company was created. So they created a group of landlords, and they were given the right, the permission to collect the revenue from the people, and this act also ensured the income of the company, and this is how their company started earning. Against this, the peasant who worked hard in the hot sun to cultivate the land and grow crops were exploited, and the people, the workers who were working really hard in the hot sun for the cultivation of the land, they used to do the work and they did not used to get the money, they used to suffer. And the landlords who did not do any work, they used to get the money. So this is how this was the condition of peasants and agriculture during the British rule. Our next topic is effects on social life. This topic will continue in our next class. Thank you.